Hey, good morning folks. This is Josh with Judge Services, and as a lot of you remember, last year we did some playground cleanings around this time of year, and we're going to do that again this year. Last year we did 3 playgrounds. This year we want to do 5 playground cleanings for local schools. We're going to narrow this down to 5 local towns in particular. So we're going to need one school from Murfreesboro, another one from Carbondale, another school from Herrin, Carterville, and Marion for 5 total school playgrounds. If you know of any school officials in some local schools in those towns, have them get a hold of me. They can message me or call me to get on the list. We're going to do this over their spring break week when all the kiddos are not at school. That way we can kind of have free reign and get those playgrounds cleaned up for them. The reason we do this is because those playgrounds can get really, really dirty over time, and the janitors have their hands full. They don't have the equipment that we have, so we can go in there and we can get them cleaned up really nice, knock it out really fast, when they normally wouldn't have the time or the capability to do that. So anyways, if you know of any school officials in either Murfreesboro, Carbondale, Carterville, Herrin, or Marion, have them get a hold of me. We'll put them on our list to give their playgrounds a good thorough cleaning this spring break season. Thanks folks, hope y'all are having a great day.